Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video, I want to do a kind of a recap of the strategy I taught in the free training we had last week. Alright, so in the training, I showed those that attended the training, I showed you how you can easily mark out your chart to form some kind of channel patterns or wedge pattern, and then how you wait for a breakout and how you enter the market to trade with almost 95% accuracy, guys. It is a high probability settlement strategy if you're able to understand it. All right, so on this on my chart now, I am on the crash 1000. I am on the 4 hourly time frame. As you can see, I have already marked out my key levels in the market. I decided to mark out key levels first so that I can easily understand where market would want to react to, where market would want to reverse, or to mark out the high probability zones of market reversal, like you've seen here on the chart. So I've marked out all this, and also on the 1 hourly time, 4 hourly time frame, you can see this structure I found here. Since the market was moving like this was forming this structure to the downside, so there's a very high chance that on breakout it has to go a long way. This on the 4 hourly time frame. Then you can imagine after it breaks out, then you trade on the 15 minutes time frame, you'll be scalping for a very long time safely, guys, if you know when to enter the market. So the same strategy that is practiced, that is done on the 15 minutes time frame, it is also visible here on the 4 hourly time frame. What is the strategy all about? After being able to identify this structure like this, you can see this structure here that is joined with two trend lines to form a kind of a wedge pattern, a descending that wedge, or I don't know how to call this structure. So you see the market broke out of this structure, then came back and retested this structure. On retest, we expect the market to go back to continue buying, because this movement in the market indicates a possible reversal. When the market is moving this way, in this manner, it indicates a possible reversal in the direction of the market. So, and then we expect the market to come back to a zone where there's been a previous buy activity. Like there was a previous buy activity at on this level. There was a previous buy activity in this level, so we expect that the market breaks, it has to come back to that same level to give us a confirmation that is going to buy before start scalping this market. As you can see, after the market came back and got to this level where there's been previous buy activity, then market bought, came back here, reversed, went back up. That's on the 4 hourly time frame. So if you monitor this, if you identify this pattern on the 4 hourly time frame, then you wait for a breakout and a retest, full confirmation, guys, you make good money with this, knowing fully well that the market must always come to at least half the length of this structure. The structure is from here down, then if it is reversing, when there's a breakout and reversal, there's a chance that the market will go at least half the length of this structure. If at all except it really wants to do a full reversal, then it has to go beyond this level, as we've seen what is happening here. You see, guys. So you see here, then after, if you're able to catch this on the 4 hourly time frame, you go a long way. But let's go to the 1 hourly time frame and also look at this structure again. Okay, see what we saw on the 1 hourly time frame, and here you can see the market actually broke out and retested. You can see market actually broke out of this trend line here. This is the resistive trend line here, and came back to retest this zone here where market has been buying previously. Then it bought to the upside. You can see it bought to the upside, and then it continued buying till this. Imagine buying all this, you see. So but let's go to the 15 minutes, because I'm always on my 15 minutes time frame, so I can get my entry. On the 15 minutes time frame here, you will see a lot of opportunities that you would have taken if you missed this 4 hourly time frame breakout. If you miss the breakout on the 4 hourly time frame, you will see a lot of opportunities. Firstly, on the 1 hourly time frame, you can see that the market is actually moving impulsively to the upside. You can see the movement of the market to the upside. We can decide to put a trend line also to join by joining some points here. Like here, we join this point here. Let's see what we can do here. We have this in the market, then we can duplicate it to have another one here to act as the resistive trend line. Let me see if I've positioned it properly. One moment, guys. Let me just position this properly. All right, so I'm trying to position this trend line properly. Okay, the thing is shifting itself. Okay, so we have something like this. Maybe when we go to a 15 minutes time frame, we'll be able to position it more better. You see, let me go to the 15 minutes time frame. All right, so you can see it here on the 15 minutes time frame. This is what we have on the 15 minutes. Let me take out these ones first. I will put them back soon or later to explain something. So if I zoom out completely, you can see the trend line we inserted here. You can see the trend line we inserted here, and this one here. This one here is yet to have its third touch. This one here is yet to have its third touch. So it has had its first touch, second touch, and the third touch. So we are expecting the market to come down to give a third touch here. But meanwhile, what we can see in this market is that there is a little shift. There's a little shift in the market, not actually from the direction. You can see at the time when market got to this place, it did not get back to this trend line. It continued going up, then came back, come to this place, went up again, came back, come to this place. So I noticed that there's a chance that we can have another trend line, meaning the trend has somehow changed in the market, so we can join another trend line. Now these are the things we have to be watching out for in the market, because the market must not give you exactly what you want. On a normal, everybody will expect the market to, after touching maybe a trend line somewhere, it has to come back to touch this one. Then you prepare to buy. You see, but if the market did not get back to that trend line, what market did was just getting back to the somewhere, forming another trend line within here, forming another trend within here. So you have to try to notice it quickly, then you follow it up until this one is broken out. Then the market will never get back to this place except this particular one. There's a breakout on this new trend line that we've just positioned here. Maybe I should change the color to maybe something different so we can easily identify it. Let me use this color here. All right, so you can see now, guys. So if we let me draw it and extend it. Okay, you see I've extended it. All right, guys, so now, okay, so now I will have to zoom in a little. I want to explain something, guys, with that same about that strategy. I want to show you some opportunities you would have taken if you knew this strategy and you were on the chart to see when these things happened, guys. Let me show you opportunities in this market. Okay, this is where is that this thing I drew. Sorry, guys, let me go up here. You see, this was where the breakout happened. The market broke out, came back, retested here, then it started going up. So maybe I can remove this other trend line because we don't have any business with it again for now, to so that you can decongest the chart. Remove these ones. Remove this. Okay, good. So we can focus on the ones we need. Okay, so you can see now, guys, what is the strategy? The strategy is we look for a pattern in the market, then we follow. Now we can see that the market is actually moving in a bullish, is moving bullishly from this channel we drew, this structure here we drew. You can see the market is moving bullishly. See, there's a pattern here, there's a structure here at this point. If you notice, market did something like, market was selling right from here to this point. And if you want, if you put a trend line here, you will discover that market was forming a kind of structure some here, which later broke out, retested, they continue buying. Let's find it. You use this trend line, put something like this, guys. Change it to black. Let me use okay, let me use maybe, I think that's okay, blue color. Then I duplicate it, so I put it right here. So you can see here now, guys, that the market was actually moving within this kind of wedge pattern, and data broke out of it. On breaking out, it came back to retest this zone. This zone is where we had a previous buy activity. Market bought from here. Market actually bought from here. So it came back to this same zone and started buying. You see, it moved and bought up to this place. So if I was actually on the chart, because I did not see when this happened, this happened on the 14th of January. This was, I think, Sunday. Was it Sunday? I didn't see when it happened. If it was, if I had seen when it happened, I would have made some good money. I like trading with losses of 2.5 or 2. Then I would have entered the market at this point. Then my target would have been this point here. Would have targeted this point here. Although I know basically that on breakout and retest, the market would want to go above this high here, because the market is actually in a bullish trend. The market, this is the direction of the trend. The market is actually in a bullish trend, so it must go beyond this particular high. And this will have given me about $140 in profit. So, but I wouldn't have allowed, normally I don't like holding to my trades for so long. So I would have maybe taken my profit around this point like this. This should be around $89 or $90. So you can see the possibility there, guys. You can see. Okay, so now let's say I missed that. Then coming up here, I noticed another opportunity. Coming up here, where's another opportunity? This one here. You can see this thing here now, guys. You can see this here. Now, like I used to tell you most times, I do not always want to consider this second trend line to form it to make it form a channel or whether wedge pattern. I concentrate on the direction where I expect the breakout to happen. Like now, the breakout has happened here. Now on this you can see it broke out, came to this level, got to this level, then came back to retest here, and there was a previous buying activity on this level. You can see there was a previous buying activity in this level, and since the market got to this place, I would have also entered the market at that point. Let me show you what I would have done. I would have want to enter the market here, then I would take my TP somewhere here. I don't like getting to the top. I would just want to take my TP here, and this would have been about $82, guys, in profit. As simple as that. Then maybe I would leave the market for that day. One good trade a day is enough for me, guys. One good trade a day is enough for me. So you can see this is actually giving a head and shoulders pattern to confirm the reversal, because the market was actually moving this way now. So for it to reverse and continue moving in the bullish form, this pattern has confirmed it that the market is changing direction to continue bullishly. You can see this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. That is in whether, how do you call it, inverted or inverse head and shoulders pattern. And also this one right here, sorry guys, something similar to what we are having here, though this one more like a more looks more like a kind of a double bottom here. Like this is the first bottom and this is the second bottom, then it went up, guys. You see, so there must be a chart pattern that indicates a possible reversal present along or around within that zone where this thing is actually happening. If you do not see it, forget about it. If you do not see that chart pattern, forget about trading that particular zone. Do not trade, even if the market later goes in the direction you expected it to go. But it's best to avoid it so that you won't make a mistake to trade when the market will not go that way and you lose some money. Guys, this strategy works for either for catching spikes and also for scalping the market, boom and crash market. You can also apply this strategy to trade in volatility pairs. All you need to do is always ensure the market is actually trending. Always ensure the market is trending either bullishly or bearishly. Once it is trending, the market cannot just be trending, cannot be moving bullishly all through. It goes up and comes down, goes up, comes down. If the market is bullish, then you wait for where to want to do a kind of a pullback. Join your trend line with the highs or the swing points there, then wait for a breakout and retest. You enter the market on confirmation. Guys, target the first swing high and you make some cool money and you leave the market or the height, the length of the channel or whatever you is from there. You make some money and you leave the market. This strategy happens most times once in a day on a single pair. It might happen twice in a day, but if you chart up to 3 to 4 pairs, guys, you might have like 4 setups in a day, and there's a chance that you can make, if you have an account size of let's say maybe $50 or $200, there's a chance that you can make over $300 to $400 per day with this same strategy. I'm telling you guys, it requires patience. All the confluences must be present. All the market must be trending. You must make sure that you see a breakout after joining points. Make sure the market breaks and then comes back to retest on a place where the market had previously done what you are expecting it to do. If you want to buy, make sure the market has bought where you expect, where you want to expect it to start buying. There must be a buying activity at that point, and ensure to always set your stop loss properly. Manage your account properly, and then you will understand this strategy. Meanwhile, if you follow up with this strategy, guys, you will make some cool money. I'm telling you the truth. And um, those that are yet to join that channel that was meant for the free training, you can still join the channel. I'm not sure yet, but I think maybe sometime in the future or so anytime soon we might have another free class. I just want to dash this information for free. I would just want to dash. But for those that are interested in the mentorship training, those that are interested in the mentorship training, like I told you, there are chances that um, you can be watching this video and you will still have difficulties practicing this thing, because this video I'm just giving you is part in there are variations to this strategy and I can't explain all of them immediately. So there are some variations to this strategy which I shall reveal to those who will participate in the mentorship program, which we have scheduled to start from Thursday, which that will be 18th of January. So if you are yet to join the Telegram channel, the link will be here in the description, where you will get in the Telegram channel, you get information about when we will have our next free training and the mentorship programs that was going on. Then for those that are going to participate in the mentorship program that we will commence on Thursday, which is 18th of January, there will be chance or opportunity to get access to some online jobs which they can easily apply and make some money that will help them for the trading. Because as a trader for trading, because as a trader you need to have source of income, especially when you are learning to trade. When you are learning to trade, the little money you make from your job is not enough to put it into trading, because there's a chance that you lose the money, and it's not proper that you risk it that much, especially if you do not make enough money, guys. So those that will be participating in this mentorship program, this batch will be opportune to get access to these job companies that will and will stand a chance of getting some jobs that will be paying them some good money and helping their trading career as well. So guys, please stay tuned, and if you not like this, if you not subscribe to this channel, please do so. Like this video, share it to others. In case you do not understand this strategy, guys, go to the description of this video, click the link to join the Telegram channel. From there you get you get some information there also. And I think I also leave the link to my direct Telegram account, where you can contact me for anything that is necessary related to these guys. So till my next video, guys, peace out.